Hi, welcome to Tongue News, your quick dive into the biggest updates from the Open Network. Let's get right into it. First up this week, Tongue Ecosystem April 2025 Recap. April marked a transformative month for the Tongue ecosystem, headlined by the appointment of Max Kron as CEO of the Tongue Foundation and the launch of a $500 million Telegram bond fund in partnership with Libre. Ethena's $6 billion stablecoin USDe made its way to Tongue, signaling growing momentum and institutional confidence. Meanwhile, the network continued to scale, with 10,000 new custodial wallets joining daily and daily active wallets ranging between 170,000 and 190,000. Trading bots and staker drops fueled community engagement, further blurring the lines between Web 2 convenience and Web 3 capabilities. Plus, Tongue Space, Telegram's self-custodial wallet, is expanding to the US in Q2, supported by major shifts in mobile and crypto infrastructure. Apple now permits external payment links, and MoonPay has enabled Tongue coin purchases for American users. This move marks a major step in Tongue's global strategy, enabling seamless access to crypto tools directly within Telegram and positioning the platform as a frontrunner in mainstream Web3 adoption. Up next, USDe is now available on all major Tongue non-custodial wallets. Ethena's integration with Tongue is officially live, bringing simple savings technology to Telegram's 1 billion users. You can now access USDe and Tongue-staked TSUSDe in popular non-custodial wallets. Tongue Space, My Tongue Wallet, Tongue Keeper via StoneFi, Tongue Hub. Stake USDe and get TSUSDe right from your wallet without any hassle. With USDe live across Tongue, saving in dollars is now as easy as sending a Telegram message. Check out Tongue's new dollar peg asset today. That's all for today on Tongue News. More updates coming soon. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned to the Tongue ecosystem.